It's IBC 2024. We're in Hall 8 and we're on the Calrec booth where we've been doing some videos on the Impulse V and the new Argo M. And I'm joined by Henry again. Hi, Henry. And we're going to be talking about True Control.
True Control, yeah.
Well, it's actually True Control 2, isn't it?
It is True Control 2.
So tell me about the evolution, how it got to 2.
Well, a few years ago now, in 2016, Calrec launched a product called RP1,
Okay.
which allowed you to basically solve the problem of latency for in-ear monitoring for commentators at venues.
Right, okay.
One of the great things about that product is it allowed, through a control mechanism called True Control, it allowed you to map control of DSPs that are at the venue onto your console back at base on the host console.
Right, okay.
And that allowed an operator at base to be able to mix the in-ear monitoring feeds for the commentators remotely.
Right, okay.
So what we've done with True Control 2 is we've vastly expanded the feature set that you can control using True Control.
Right.
So now you can control a whole channel path pretty much, so that's EQ, dynamics, even the routing from your host console.
Right, okay.
In addition to that, what we've done with True Control 2 is we've expanded which controls are True Control 2 capable. So now the entire Argo range, so that's the Argo Q, the Argo S, and the new Argo M, are all capable of True Control.
Okay.
That also includes the Type R console, and of course the new virtualized Impulse V DSP as well.
Wow. So in real terms, this means you could have a console in a stadium and a console somewhere else, anywhere you like, and they're effectively connected together for control either way.
Absolutely. So that you could do a number of things with that. So you could, for example, if you wanted to have control of cloud DSP resources on your surface, you can mix both local and cloud-based processing and control them from one surface in front of the operator.
Right. And are you seeing any use cases where people are actually using this yet?
Yeah, well, the technology True Control has been used a lot at some major sporting events that have happened recently,
right.
And it's used by a lot of our customers. And this is an extension of what they're going to be capable of. So it gives them a vast degree of flexibility and agility to use not just the RP1 in the field at the venue, but any of the Argo, Type R, or even the virtualized console.
Yeah. So is this meaning the flexibility is important? Is this meaning smaller crews at the venue are needed, so you can save money that way as well?
Absolutely. It's all about utilizing your resources most efficiently, both equipment and human resources as well.
Yeah.
So because you can now control stuff remotely, it means that you can have your operators and sat where you want them to be sat, so they don't have to travel as much. So you're saving money on traveling. Also, it means you're greener.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you can still mix as efficiently as you would if you went out in the field and did so.
Yeah. So someone that wants to find out a bit more about True Control 2, where should they go?
Should come and see us. Come and talk to us, everyone.
Hall 8.
In Hall 8 here at IBC.
Someone that's not fortunate enough to be in Amsterdam, what's the best website for them to head to?
Well, obviously calrec.com.
Henry, thank you very much indeed. Do check out calrec.com, or even better, come to Hall 8 and talk to Henry and the team here at Calrec, and also look at those 2 other videos that we've done here on the booth. For everything else we're doing at the show, that's at KitPlus.com.